If you've got a lot on and you're struggling for time, then this NEFF built-in washing machine is a great purchase. It has a quick wash feature that's able to work around your lifestyle. So you don't have to sit around and wait for your load to be done. It lets you speed up your daily washes with its Rapid 15 program that's able to wash, rinse and spin lightly soiled clothes of up to 2 kg in just 15 minutes. It can really work around your lifestyle. So whether you're busy with work or you're getting ready for an evening out, it's super convenient. You can spend less time on laundry in general with Vario Speed, which helps you get perfect results just more quickly. So when you activate Vario Speed, it lets you shorten the length of certain cycles by up to 65% and still get the same high quality results. And when your clothes need a refresh and not a complete wash, single rinse saves you time and energy by rinsing and spinning your clothes for a shorter time, so your clothes get more life without having to run another wash. So if you're looking for a time-saving washing machine, look no further. To find out more about this NEFF built-in washing machine, visit us in store, head online, or chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.